today I'm going to be camping out at Auto Club Speedway because tomorrow I'm going to be riding my Valentino Rossi inspired Yamaha R6 on that racetrack over there. So I've already outfitted her with all the accoutrements that would make life very, very comfortable. We got a little towel holder here. We got some soap because absolutely necessary. Some LED lights and a little fan up there. But we got a lot more goodies, and I'm going to show this to you guys on another episode where I do a full van tour. I researched a ton of different ways to warm up my food. I could use the propane stove that came with the van, but I bought this little ingenious thing from Hot Logic. It's basically a little oven. Let me show you guys. So all you got to do is just unzip this thing. It comes with a cool little quick start guide and a recipe book, which is pretty awesome. But here's the main thing right here. This warms up, like it gets, not warms up, it gets super hot. And then you leave it on the bottom, and then whatever you want to warm up, you put inside here and then close the lid. And this works with a 12-volt adapter. So let's plug this baby in, get it warmed up, and put some food inside of it. Luckily for me, my Cascade camper comes with a 12-volt right on the side over here. I'll plug this baby in and get it nice and toasty. All right, we'll put this to the side. Now let's get some food out of the fridge. So tonight I think I'm gonna have some tacos. I brought some coconut flour tortillas. Here's our ground beef. And I think I'm gonna add 1 or 2 pieces of sweet potatoes in here. I know it's not traditional tacos, but we'll do the best we can with what we got. And a little bit more greens in here. All right, let's see if this thing warmed up or not. Oh yeah, nice and toasty. So we're gonna put everything inside here, let it get nice and warm. I'm gonna have 2 tacos, I think. Yeah, let's see how this works. Let's have 2 tacos. All right, so that's gonna be 1. And then here's my second taco. I think I might save some for tomorrow. And like I mentioned, I'm gonna add some sweet potato. I don't know, what are these curls, round edges? I just made this at home. Like I said, this is not exactly a gourmet taco meal, but it's something that's nutritional. And since it's my first time actually camping inside my camper, this is the best that I'm going to be able to do until I can have a full feast in here one day. Oh yeah, I added the paper towel holder, so now this is getting really fancy on me. And you can't forget some greens, come on now. This is kale. I'm supposed to be using lettuce, but hey, it's greens, and this is the best I can do at the moment. All right, let's warm this up. Oh yeah, this thing is toasty. So, they say this can take about an hour for it to warm up, or I should say hot. So we're gonna set the timer right now, and then check back on it in an hour.
A few moments later.
All right, moment of truth. Is this gonna be hot? Or did I waste my money on this Hot Logic thingamajig? From the bottom here, when I touch it, it feels pretty warm. And around the sides, it feels warm as well. Let's open this thing up. It's been about approximately 1 hour. I'm excited. If this thing works, gold. This way I don't have to use the propane stove. Wow, super hot underneath. Wow, holy macro. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the condensation. It works. Seal of approval. Definitely recommend this thing. I'll put a link down in the description below if you guys are interested in ordering this from Amazon. But now I have another challenge. I don't have a plate. So I think I'm gonna use the little Frisbee that Cascade Campers provided. And this will double up not only as a Frisbee, but as tonight's plate as well. Yes, I will wash it, of course. Put a little water on it. Rinse it out. All right, so my Frisbee slash plate is clean, I hope. And now we're gonna grab the coconut flour. Just got it out of the fridge, but this thing warms up really fast. So for about 2 minutes, I'm gonna put it inside the little oven and warm it up really quickly. Hopefully it works. Wow, it worked. Nice and warm. I'll just leave this here until I'm ready to eat it. Let's build out this taco. Okay, we got a little meat. Got some greens. And some sweet potatoes. Man, I'm starving. Unfortunately, I don't have any sauce, but that's okay. So convenient that I have a paper towel holder. All right, so moment of truth. Little extra things that just make it feel homey, you know? Just because it's a van doesn't mean it doesn't have to feel like home.
Lamborghini Gallardo, I just got confirmation. It'll be done. It'll be here in the garage in Utah by Christmas Day 2021.
It's so cool just sitting in the van and watching YouTube. So I've been doing that probably for like the last hour, but now it's time for bed. I wake up tomorrow and I'm excited to go to the track. So I hope you guys are as well. Just got the sleeping bag left, and then we are ready to go. There we go. All right, guys, it is time to hit the hay. We've got a really amazing day tomorrow, and I'm really looking forward to it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now, and I was too excited. I had to get up, but I'm gonna make some breakfast right now and get started with the day. And in case you guys didn't know, I got a separate channel for motorcycles. It's called Petrohead. I'll leave a link down below. Make sure to go check it out. I started that channel about 2 years ago. It's been a whole lot of fun. I got tons of reviews, track days like this, and everything in between, but it's mostly motorcycles. Well, I shouldn't say mostly, it's all motorcycle related. But this is just for your eyes only on this brand new channel. Let's go! So yes, not only do I do van life, I ride motorcycles as well. Gotta have some excitement in my life, you know? Vans are great, but bikes keeps things interesting. Just don't tell my mom I do stuff like this. She'd have a heart attack. Missed by apex, but that's all good. The second lap. We can do better if we try. And I took that well a little bit as well. We're not gonna be so far from I am beat. This stuff isn't easy. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I would love your support.